Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In today's lesson, we will learn how to compare things. Let's get started. Big, bigger, biggest, big, bigger, biggest. The panda is big. The hippopotamus is bigger. The elephant is the biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. The baby is small. The puppy is smaller. The kitten is the smallest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Smart, smarter, smartest. They are smart. He is smarter. She is the smartest. Short, shorter, shortest. Short, shorter, shortest. He is short. He is shorter. He is the shortest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. This box is heavy. This box is heavier. This box is the heaviest. Now it's your turn to practice. Let's begin. Light, lighter, lightest. Light, lighter, lightest. Can you fill in the blank for me? A stick is light. A leaf is... That's right. A leaf is lighter. A feather is the lightest. Great work. Happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Can you fill in the blanks for me? She is happy. He is... That's right. He is happier. She is the... You got it. She is the happiest. Fast, faster, fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. Can you fill in the blanks for me? The skateboard is fast. The bicycle is... That's right. The bicycle is faster. The car is the... That's it. Fastest. The car is the fastest. Well done. Let's move on. Can you fill out this comparison chart for me? Go ahead. That's wonderful. Nice, nicer, nicest. Low, lower, lowest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Tight, tighter, tightest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Great work! Let's practice some more. Go ahead, fill out this chart. You are doing wonderful. Old, older, oldest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Young, younger, youngest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Well done. That will be all for today. You did great. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know how to compare different things. I can also compare different things using simple sentences.